Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using the BH Avocado. I'm going to try to use this as much as I can for the rest of the month. I decided to use this. It's very new. I used this once and I kind of want to use this for the rest of the month. That'll be fun. And then I'm going to use this color. Because I have a good dip, I want to kind of hit pan, so I'll use this for the rest of the year. And try to use this Flower Beauty, the shiny color. It's pretty for like the outer portion of my eye. So yeah, let's get started. So many palettes that I just want to get rid of. So I'm going to use this Juju. I think that's what it says. Shade in the ColourPop Princess palette. So I'm just going over the crease with the shade. So I'm gonna get like 5 shades from here. So I got 8, 11, 16, 9, and 1. This is the color story. This is a very nice color story. I like that. Okay, let's get started. Okay. I think I decided what to wear. I'm gonna go in with this green color. Yellow color. Oh my goodness. Today is just not my kind of day. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow and just bring it up top. If I can see that. I can't even see that color. Just bring it on top. I'm gonna probably build it up a little. Use paprika right here. So I went in with Over Easy and then paprika. I'm just going in the very like crease part line. I'm gonna use Holy Moly. In the outer portion of the eye. Alright, this shade is very powdery. So I'm just gonna stamp it on. It's a pretty color. Okay, going in with Haze right here. This beautiful, I love shimmer greens. Love them so much. It's so beautiful. So I'm going in with like this fluffy brush. I already primed my eyes with this primer. So going in with Haze. Just going the rest of the lid. I think that is so beautiful. Okay, before I forget, I need to use this Flower Beauty shadow that keeps on falling out. It is a creamy, so the shadow should never be in a jar like this. I think it's glass. And then just using my finger to apply it all over it on to like the black color. Going in with Holy Moly again, this black shade, because it is powdery formula. I'm just going in underneath the lash line. Going in with Avocado. Where am I? Avocado. It's a cute name. Going in with them in the inner portion of the eye. Here is the finished look. I really do enjoy this palette and this look. I think it's very pretty. Even though you can't see the yellow too much, it blended in pretty well. I think it's still good. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.